Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make envelopes. They're very easy to make. The only thing you need is just a sheet of paper and some glue. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a sheet of printer paper or colored paper, and you're going to cut out a square. Once you have cut out the square, you're going to leave it folded so it can look like a triangle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. And then unfold it, and the next thing you're going to do is, with the points that are parallel to each other, you're going to have them meet at the middle part, right here. And then fold it down. Once they're folded down, you're going to notice that you'll have two flaps remaining. The only thing you're going to do is you're going to just fold down one of the flaps. The final step is to just glue down the flaps with some glue. If you still have that strip of paper, after cutting out the square from printer paper or colored paper, use it to make mini ones. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you guys how to make envelopes with just one sheet of paper. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions or what you thought about this DIY. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.